Morning students, we are going to do the topic bullets and numbering. So Word offers another powerful feature which is used to automatically create ordered or unordered list of items in our document. So an ordered list or a numbered list is the one in which the items get automatically numbered when they are entered. And in unordered list, items get marked with a specific symbol every time when a new item is added. So that means the bullets provides the unordered list and numbering provides us the ordered list. If we want a list with a sequential order, then we use the numbering option. If we want an unsequential list, then we use the bullets option. So let's start working with this. How to create a bulleted or unordered list. First of all, you have to place the position of the cursor where you want to create the list. Suppose I want to start my list from here. So you have to position the cursor here first here. Then select the bullets option in home tab and paragraph group. Bullet option is given in the home tab and paragraph group. This is the bullet option. So on clicking on this arrow, you'll get the bullet library. You'll get this bullets library. So in this bullet library, you'll see a list of bullets. So select the bullet style, as I'll select this one. So bullet style I have selected. So let's start typing something. Like I have typed the name of fruits. As you press enter, you'll see the bullet will come itself. Next, automatically it will come. Now, after completing this, I don't want the bullet to come in the next line. So what you have to do, instead of pressing enter, you will press shift and enter. Shift and enter. So you'll press shift enter. So you'll see no bullet will come. So in this way you can make or you can create a bulleted list, the list which does not have a sequential order. Now let's start with the numbering. So in the numbering we have this same. You have to go to home tab, paragraph group and in the numbering option. So same, you will get the numbering library. By default we have 1 to 3, 1 to 3 this one style. In this Roman, ABC, small ABC, then small ABC with the number alignment, and then in the we have this Roman numerals again. So you can use any, like suppose I have used this one ABC. So you'll write any names of your books like maths, science, English, so Hindi, social science, then so as your list ends here, so what you need to do, you need to press the shift and enter, as you don't want the numbering in the next line. So this way you can easily create the numbering and the bulleted list. So bulleted list means the list which does not have any sequence, but this list with the numbering has the sequential. Now if you want to change the bullet style or the numbering style, once you have provided any bullets or numbering to your list, you can change it. How? Select it, then again go to the bullets option. You can choose any other, like this. So any you can use, like suppose I have used this one. Now the bullets symbol is changed. Similarly you can do with this numbering. Select all the list and then go to the numbering option, and then you can use this anyone. Got it? So this way we can use bullets and numbering option or the feature which is provided to us by Microsoft Word.